Hey everybody, I'm Aaron Gordon. I'm one of the partners here at Synapse Virtual Production. Today, we are here at LA Center Studios downtown. It's a fantastic lot, and if you come with me, I'll show you stage 4, where we house our virtual production volume. So this summer, we're doing a 2-week, hands-on, fully immersive virtual production certification program. We've partnered with RIT, who's been teaching this since 2020. You're going to learn from award-winning cinematographers, directors, producers, visual effects artists, and Oscar-winning faculty. Now, this is a huge opportunity to upskill either you or some of your staff or colleagues that you know need to enter into new pipelines in this industry. These are taking the industry by storm in terms of their value to all visual effects pipelines, production pipelines, and even producing techniques. So we highly recommend considering enrolling in this program. We hope to see you there. It's going to be in June, and sign up.